Hello, I have my lovely assistant Rachel with me today.
Hey.
And we're going to be doing a rental vacate on an apartment, and I'll take you through step by step. Cheers. The VLM job today, so I bring up my scrubber, my vacuum, some chemicals and some spray bottles. So step one for encapsulation cleaning is a vacuum. You want to do a nice thorough vacuum. I'd recommend a bag vacuum like this. On the bottom of the vacuum is a brush that's powered by the electricity. It's very important. This vacuum also self-levels, which is the good thing about the SIBO. So next we're going to spray our encapsulation product all over the apartment, giving extra attention to any extra soiling we find and also extra attention to the traffic lanes. Here I am just scrubbing the insides of the wardrobes with my Ryobi scrubber. I just spray down the pad. So the final step is agitation, which I'll do with my orbital scrubber, and that is to scrub the Encap solution into the fibers. As you can see, with Encap cleaning, the carpet has an immediate reaction, but the beauty of Encap is that over the next 12 to 24 hours, this carpet is going to look better and better. As each hour goes by, it's going to brighten up even further as the Encap solution encapsulates all of that soiling and crystallizes it into microscopic crystals ready to be vacuumed out at a later date. Okay, so we're all packed up. It's a good result. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks guys.